church here is the Darejon, maybe, which sounds very Farsi. Dari or Daria, John is deer, and this is the old palace of one of the queens of the Georgian kings, who was from, I think, eastern part of Georgia, which is more Azerbaijani area. Some old walls. Possibly a well. Let's see what's inside. Looks down inside. Looks like more like a well or a storage area. Interesting they have that all set there. And the balcony, very beautiful balcony overlooking the city, Tbilisi. Up on the hill, you can see, I think on the other side, you got all the different places. Yeah, you come over here, you can see the Virgin Mary Church there in front of us. Up on the hill, you will see the Persian castle, Navikala. Coming through here, just from beautiful archway, and the view that Princess Queen had of the area previously. Looking at this exterior, it's below this big wall. This wall is very funnel, round shaped, much like those in Samarkand, in Bukhara, going up with the brick interspersed with rock. It'll give you quite a view of the area. The far end of this former castle. Some beautiful walls, maybe for guarding, looking out. Some colorful space. Another little house down here says do not enter. As we were in this area, a priest and some nuns came up. So most likely this area also, I think, is a monastery today, where some people live and serve in this area, like some of those folks over there. Coming close up to this wall, you can see some of them were used for at least anybody walking in this direction up. And you can go up here to the top. I can't see, can't get it. Put my camera up farther up, and you can see throughout the city there. In that section over here, you can see that section there. So this is what the guards could see when they're protecting the castle. From the St. Mary's Church here, you can see the many layers of the ancient walls, most likely some of them being done by the Byzantines, Persians, Georgians.